Hey there, fellow foodies! Today, we're going to whip up a scrumptious chocolate cake that's sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. So, let's get started. First, we'll need to gather our ingredients. You'll need 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1½ cups of sugar, ½ cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, ½ teaspoon of salt to large eggs, 1 cup of buttermilk, ½ cup of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now, let's preheat our oven to 350 F175C. In a large bowl, mix together the dry ingredients, and in a separate bowl, combine the wet ingredients. Gradually add the wet mixture to the dry mixture, and stir until well combined. Pour the batter into a greased and floured 9-inch cake pan, and bake for 30–35 minutes. Let it cool, and then enjoy! Thank you for joining me in this delicious chocolate cake making adventure. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes. Happy baking!